So today we are going to customize Redbubble store. We'll be adding profile picture and also our banner. So click view shop to see how your shop looks like. So we'll be replacing this with your image. I'm using my own personal photo. So we'll be adding a banner on top so that the stores look similar. With also our social media. As I said, we are doing branding. This means all our accounts will be consistent. So go to profile picture, click on it, then select account settings. You'll be able to change your avatar. Mine I already updated and uploaded. So now we upload our banner, the one that we downloaded from Canva in the last tutorial. It's the same image we'll be using on our other stores. We'll be doing branding where we come with our logo and also our color. So in the avatar you can use your logo or you can use your image. So the image size for Redbubble is a bit small compared to what we have. So we use our image resizer and upload the image. You can either, if it is small, you can enlarge. If it is big, you can reduce the size. This will help us maintain our image quality and make sure that it's not pixelated. So select by dimension, then we check what Redbubble requires. It's 2400 by, then tick the padlock to open so that you're able to edit the other heights. So by 600. So we then download, besides the image now, for it to be reduce the size. Mine was big, way too big. Then download the image. If you have a Canva Pro, you can always adjust the size and download. So we have downloaded the image, so we upload our cover image, the one that we have just downloaded, and click upload. Then let's see whether there are other changes you need to make. Just go through your profile. There is not much we can edit for Redbubble. It's not like Teespring where we saw you can create a customized shop in terms of color, even fonts, and even background images. So on the notifications, make sure you just leave the ones that you need. Then we can save our changes. We continually visit our store to always update and be in line with the trends in graphic design. So once your profile is successfully saved, you can go to shop settings. So we are customizing our shop. You can change the collection that is shown at the top under featured collection. Just tick, or you go to manage collection, then create one if you don't have, or you can leave it none so that no featured collection is shown. Featured collection is like a way of marketing your products. If you have a product that you feel can attract the customer. You can put it at a collection, then feature that, save the settings, then click view shop. This will be able to see your new shop layout. As you can see, we have our top banner, its cover image, we have a profile image, we have our store name, and other details. Then you can see all the products. As you can see, there are those which are the feature. So we can go back to shop settings and change the collection to a different one, or even remove. So that marks the end of customization for Redbubble. We did for Teespring. So in the next tutorial now we start branding and social media marketing. So keep it here to learn how to create social media accounts and how you can make additional revenue from your channels. We'll be going each step at a time as we market our designs. Thank you and welcome. Check the link in the description for the playlist to follow up on future videos. Thank you.